Hey guys, it's Leki here from ProPhysio Plus. I'm here at Camp Waiuna in Port Arlington with Iron Armour. They're currently holding their Recon camp, which is building up to a tour to Europe. It's a rugby tour to Europe in April 2019. Some of the things that I've been able to do today was to present to about a group of 30 athletes on the importance of recovery and rehabilitation to help them in their sporting journey. In the presentation, I tried to really keep things simple on muscle injuries, ligament and bone injuries, and it was a really good Q&A exercise to try and get the athletes to understand how physio can help them with their rehabilitation and their recovery. This wall over here is ice. Say ice. Ice. This side over here is heat. Say heat. Heat. Is rest. Say rest. Rest. Massage. Ice. Heat. Rest. Massage. You just rolled your ankle this morning. What are you going to do? You're going to ice it. You're going to heat it. Rest it. As part of the ProPhysio partnership with Iron Armour, we're here to offer a lot of advice, a lot of screening time to just flick our eyeballs on the injuries that the athletes may have to try and give them some good advice so they can get themselves to tip-top shape. So there were quite a few athletes that were carrying injuries for a few months actually, and they were unsure what to do, so just trying to help them in understanding the issues they have with the injuries. Others have very acute injuries, it's just come on the last couple of days or last couple of weeks. So I was able to treat them, tested out their hamstrings, some lower back strains, and others may need a bit more help. Other things we were able to do was introduce some of the Iron Armour athletes that we're currently treating at ProPhysio. Athletes like Ethan, who's got to follow up with a few scans for his knee and his shoulder. Kingston, who we found has got a fracture in his leg. Some success stories with Anthony, and Davey, who's almost down the home stretch of his rehab after dislocating his kneecap. So all in all, it's been a great morning here. We spent 3 hours with the team at Iron Armour plus their athletes. It's a privilege to be here to give some advice. Check out our blogs that we've got online and our socials. We've got stories rolling out on practical examples of people that are injured right now and what they're trying to do to get themselves back to being 100%. So don't forget, at ProPhysio Plus, making healthy simple.